What's up, everyone? Welcome back to RVenture Life. Today, we're checking out an ultralight travel trailer that has become a favorite among campers looking for something compact, easy to tow, and packed with practical features. And the best part, this one comes in at just $26,000. This trailer measures under 21 feet from front to back and weighs just under 3,000 pounds dry, making it a fantastic option for many SUV owners. Despite its lightweight design, it offers an impressive amount of comfort, storage, and functionality. As soon as you step inside, you'll notice how bright and open the interior feels. Large windows throughout the coach allow plenty of natural light inside, making the space feel much larger than its actual footprint. Starting at the front of the trailer, you'll find one of the most important features buyers love about this floor plan: a true walk-around bed. Making the bed is simple thanks to the easy access design, and the mattress can be moved in and out without hassle. Underneath, you'll find divided storage space, giving you room to keep camping essentials organized while still maintaining access to the pass-through compartment from the opposite side. At the front is a large window complete with blinds, allowing you to control privacy and natural light. Additional windows on both sides feature roller shades, and one side includes an emergency exit window. Power outlets are conveniently located on both sides of the bed, as well as near the foot of the bed, making it easy to charge phones, tablets, or other devices. You'll also find dedicated connectivity access for Starlink equipment, providing an option for internet connectivity while traveling. Storage around the bed is impressive. There are hanging wardrobes on both sides for clothing, overhead cabinets for larger items, and additional shelves perfect for books, magazines, and personal belongings. Reading lights are positioned on each side of the bed, while central ceiling lighting and a roof-mounted fan help keep airflow moving throughout the coach. Moving into the main living area, you'll find a comfortable dinette positioned beside a huge window. This setup provides excellent views of your campsite while allowing plenty of natural light inside. The dinette also converts into additional sleeping space when needed. Under-seat storage provides room for extra camping gear, while overhead cabinets offer additional space for games, supplies, and everyday essentials. Near the entry door, you'll find several storage compartments and drawers that work perfectly for shoes, sandals, pet supplies, leashes, and other frequently used items. The control center is conveniently located near the entrance, allowing you to monitor tank levels and operate the power awning with ease. A Bluetooth speaker system is integrated into the coach, providing entertainment wherever your adventures take you. The kitchen is designed to maximize functionality without taking up unnecessary space. You'll immediately notice the generous amount of cabinet storage available for cookware, dishes, utensils, and pantry items. Everything has a dedicated place. One of the standout upgrades is the combination air fryer and convection microwave. This gives you much more flexibility when preparing meals during extended trips. Below that, you'll find a 2-burner cooktop with a folding glass cover that increases usable counter space when not cooking. The trailer is equipped with both a central furnace and roof-mounted air conditioning system. A major advantage of the air conditioner is its ability to operate from a standard household-style power source under the right conditions. This flexibility makes it easier to cool the trailer whether you're camping, visiting friends, or using a small generator. Across from the kitchen is a large refrigerator with a spacious freezer section. The size allows you to comfortably store enough groceries for several days without needing frequent restocking. Additional counter space is available thanks to the folding sink cover design. When closed, It creates a larger prep area for meal preparation. The trailer also includes a lithium-ready converter system and comes equipped with 200 watts of solar power from the factory. For campers wanting more off-grid capability, expanding the solar setup is straightforward. A dedicated TV location is prepped and ready, while a digital antenna and Starlink compatibility provide multiple entertainment options. For a compact trailer, the bathroom is surprisingly spacious. You'll find a large vanity with substantial countertop space and plenty of storage underneath for toiletries and personal items. A ventilation fan helps remove moisture and improve airflow, while the thoughtfully positioned toilet maximizes legroom and comfort. The shower is larger than many people expect in a trailer this size and includes a skylight overhead, creating a more open feel while providing additional headroom. One of the biggest advantages of this floor plan is that there are no slide-outs. That means the bathroom remains fully accessible during travel stops without needing to set up the trailer. The sink area includes a modern bamboo-style cover that increases counter space whenever the sink isn't being used. Stepping outside, you'll find an oversized power awning stretching along the side of the trailer, creating a comfortable outdoor living area. Below the awning is an exterior propane connection, making outdoor cooking easy and convenient. The front pass-through storage compartment offers excellent cargo capacity and includes room for additional camping equipment. Dedicated storage space for fishing rods and other longer gear helps keep everything organized and protected. At the front, you'll find space for batteries along with a propane tank setup. Heavy-duty stabilizer jacks provide added stability at camp, while the solid entry steps adjust easily to uneven terrain and create a secure entry experience. Stylish alloy wheels and updated exterior accents give the trailer a modern appearance, while LED lighting improves visibility around the campsite. The rear of the trailer includes a spare tire and backup camera preparation for added convenience. You'll also find on-demand hot water, a black tank flush system, exterior spray port, cable connection, water hookups, and easy-access utility connections. Large holding capacities and smart utility placement make campground setup and breakdown simple and efficient. The exterior storage doors feature magnetic catches, making them easy to operate while preventing accidental slamming. With aluminum framing, fiberglass construction, and composite wall materials behind the exterior surface, this trailer is designed for durability and long-term performance. At $26,000, this ultralight travel trailer delivers an impressive combination of lightweight towing, smart storage, practical amenities, and camping comfort. For anyone looking for a compact trailer that's easy to tow, yet loaded with useful features, this one deserves a serious look. Thanks for watching RVenture Life, and we'll see you in the next RV tour.